Yeah, hi. Hi, Kalyan. Hi, Preeti ji.
Hello, good evening,
Hi, Dr. Hem.
Good.
Gangaji. Good evening, Kalyan.
Hi, Preeti.
So, Kalyan, how was your interview?
We did not speak after the interview. Oh, right. Okay. It was pretty good. It was the initial discovery round, and it was primarily about my experience and the value that I have created. So he asked me about that, and then this was more unlike the previous one. He was a little more easygoing. So he talked about his career, and then he talked about how he started in TCS, and then how he was very candid, and then it was a little more easygoing. And then he said he's also a runner. He had a lot of those running medals
Wow.
on his this thing. Okay. So then we talked about it, and then I said I was also a runner for quite some time, and then we sort of exchanged notes on that. Right. And in terms of the role, in terms of the mandate for the role, so he explained that. And then he wanted to understand my body of work in that particular area. And so he said,
Fan.
yeah, he said the alignment looks fine. And then he was also transparent and candid enough to say that we are looking at other candidates as well. I'm being honest with you. So it'll probably take a couple of weeks for us to get back. One thing that he added is there's going to be some amount of travel in this role. So they are trying to see growth, rapid growth in the data and AI space, and which means traveling to the customers and then sort of, is going to be a big part of this particular role. And then he asked me, when did you last travel, and things like that. So it was a pretty good experience. I enjoyed.
Chalo, wonderful. That's what is required.
Hmm. So, uh,
And multiple, opportunities will always keep coming. Whatever is best for us will always click. Rest all our learning journey.
yeah.
Good. So, Ravikant ji, Rajesh, how are you?
Hi, madam. Good. How are you?
Hey,
Wonderful. Very
hey,
nice.
good here. Yeah,
Or Ravi ji, how are you doing?
it's fine. Going well. Yeah.
One, wonderful. So, how is
Good.
your newspaper going on?
We are in the process of finalizing all those legal compliances and all. So today also only we had a meeting with Press Registrar General of India, and they wanted us to fulfill some compliances. So we're doing this. Probably by August we'll be able to launch.
Oh, wow, that's
Yeah,
lovely.
Going?
yeah.
So, Geeta ji, you can mute yourself if you are not speaking. Uh, so, what is the, business model for your newspaper? Revenue model?
Uh, Basically, this is a reader's paid newspaper, and
Okay. It's a
it's
paid
yeah.
newspaper. That's
Paid
okay.
newspaper, yeah. It's a community newspaper, and community is supposed to take stake in the production and publication of the newspaper.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So, hi, Ravi ji, Ravi Shankar ji, how are you?
Good evening. I'm good, thank you.
So, how are you doing? How have you been? It looks like I've seen you after a long time. You
Yeah.
weren't there, I think.
Last week I was not there for
That's
most
why I
of the
remember.
weeks.
So as I looked at you, my mind said, some seeing you after a long time.
Correct.
Okay. Good. Wonderful. So what we decided last week, what would we do today? I want to see the muscle memory of you guys.
Okay.
Hmm?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get it.
No. What I'm asking is, last week we decided that on Monday, 22nd of June, we
Okay.
will be doing this. What is that?
I don't know. How would I know?
Huh? You are not there. Okay, we excuse you. But how about others? I want to just see how, how sharp is our
Sharp the memory.
memory. Otherwise, I have to recommend all of you, to eat almonds every morning. So no one remembers. My God. God, really? I am amazed.
Sorry,
In a
I missed the
negative way.
question.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैंने पिछली बार बोला था पिछले हफ्ते कि ऑन बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग ऑन लीव आई वॉजंट देयर ऑन थर्सडे and Wednesday, Thursday, I wasn't there. So I had mentioned on Tuesday that on Monday, when we meet, we will be doing this topic. No one. So I'll give you a hint also. I said that, the Sunday is this day. So on Monday, we will do something related to that.
International Yoga Day.
Yes, I remember now.
Chalo, at least
Right,
then.
right, right. Good.
You recall or everyone forgotten?
Yes, you told that we will do desk exercises because
So-
of International Yoga Day. Yes,
So
yes.
who all now are able to recall? At least 4, 5. Wow, good. Good. 5 of 7 is a good number. Okay, so everyone, are you okay to do some, desktop yoga stretches? Why we want to do desk yoga stretches? And this year, by the way, the theme of the yoga day is healthy aging. So we want to age, everyone ages because that's all biological, but aging in a healthy way. So that is the theme of the yoga day. And every day, how much hours, more than 3 hours spending in front of screen? How many of you? More than 5 hours. It can be phone screen also. More than 7 hours. Keep your hand up only. Don't go up and down. I want to see. More than 10 hours.
Oh my God.
Laptop plus phone combined. So we have people, we spend more than 10 hours. I don't want to take the number further. So when we are sitting in front of the screen, what happens? There is a high probability. Firstly, it impacts our posture and our eyes. So there are, few simple stretches while we are sitting in front of the screen only that have a habit of keeping a water bottle by your side. So keep on sipping water. Very important. Water, maintains our body is more than 90% of our body is water. And if we do not give the cells that amount of hydration what is required, then all the cells begins to shrink. So hydration keeps our mind, body fresh. So it prevents your aging, I can say. Okay. Okay, so we'll do some small gentle stretches, which you can do anywhere. So just take your palm like this and onto your top of the head. Just feel that connection of the hand with the head. Just place it completely comfortably. Other hand can lie like this on your knee or lap, whatever you are. And now once your head and hand are connected, just move it clockwise. If you are comfortable, you may close your eyes gently. Reverse the direction. And I would request all of you to observe your body at this point in time. And then compare when we have, Ravikant ji, we have to just place it solidly, connected, and then you rotate. Rotate your, yeah, very good, like this, scalp. पूरे हाथ को नहीं घुमाना, just place it like this, just look at me. इसको ऐसे रखे एकदम, just touch it like this. And then you have to move like this. Only the hand is moving clockwise. Not the hand is not going over the complete head. It's just over the top of the head clockwise and anti-clockwise. And keep taking deep, long breaths. And relax. Just take a deep, long breath. Let go. Now take your two hands and by the side. Just clockwise. 3 rotations and anti-clockwise. And relax. Take your hands like this and on your forehead, center of your, just bring everything out. All the stress, all the worries. 4 times we can do. You can do all the moves 3 to 5 times. Relax after you complete. Then make your hand like this and just press your eyebrows. Sometimes, when we feel quite tired, we just want to shift our energy. And this helps a lot. Just press. And keep on taking deep breaths. Now just 2 fingers like this. And on your temple area, clockwise. Keep breathing. Reverse. Relax. Just press and leave it. Make a V like this, V. And by the side of your ears, up and down. It is said that our ears are kind of, our entire body we can control through our ears. And now cycle. Hold your ears like this and cycle. That is why when we were young, that time the punishments were holding the ears. And relax. Now we'll do something for the eye, because eyes we use the most in front of the screens. Just look at the nearest object, whatever is very near to you. And look at the farthest one, whatever is within your reach. During the day, if you have a window, try to look outside. Look nearest, farthest. Near, far, 5 times. Now blink your eyes. Faster, as much as you can. Fast. When we are in front of the screen, we forget even to blink our eyes. Keep on blinking. Now relax. Now open your eyes wide, wide open. And squeeze your eyes. If you are wearing contact lenses, then don't do it. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Wide open. And squeeze. Squeeze it further. Wide open. Last time. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and squeeze your eyes. And relax. Keep your hands like this. Eyes in the middle. Now look towards your right thumb. Both the eyes looking here. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Now take your Right hand up as much as you can, and left hand put it by the side of your knee. Diagonal. Left hand put it on your knee, left hand. And eyes are straight. Just look up and down, up and down, up. Head is not moving. Head is not moving. सिर को बिल्कुल सीधा रखें. Only the eyes are looking up and down. Head is straight. कल्याण, राजेश, सिर को बिल्कुल सीधा रखें. सिर को ऊपर नीचे नहीं करना. No, 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 Kalyan. Just look first. Head is like this. Just eyes are moving up. Just eyes are rolling down. Up. Only eyes. Now do. Yeah, very good. Now bring your upper hand down and down hand up. Reverse that direction. Head is straight. Look forward. And now only the eyes up and down. Eyes are looking up and down. And relax. Take your hands like this. Thumbs are like this only. Face is straight. Now look toward the right most thumb. Left. Head is straight. Only the eyes are moving like this. Right and left. Keep looking. Only with your eyes. Wonderful. Don't move the head. Now bring the hands together. Look towards your thumbs. And only eyes will move along with the movement of the hand. Right eye toward the right, left towards the left. As much as you can. Bring forward. Bring forward. You need not go till the end. Go till you can see while you are looking straight only. Right and left. And relax. Once again, blink your eyes. And relax. Fill air in your mouth. And open your eyes wide. And now move this air from right to left and left to right. Eyes wide open. Now move your eyes also as you are moving the air. Air goes to the right, eyes goes to the left. And reverse. And relax. Now with the mouth we'll make like this. A, E, U. When the stress attacks, वो कहते हैं ना लकवा मार जाता है, then your jaws get locked. So if you practice this, your jaws will never be locked. The stress won't impact you. Now rub your hands. Rub it faster. And cup it like this. And just cover over your eyes. Don't press on the eyelids. Just make it a cup. Feel the warmth. Keep it covered and do 3 breaths. Once again. And cup it. Once more, final time. Now, put it on your complete face, on your ears. Face, ears, face, ears, face, ears. And relax. Take a deep breath in. Take your neck back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Exhale, back. Inhale. Come to the center. Breathe in, look to the right. Exhale to the left. See that your neck is straight. Kalyan, just shoulders are relaxed. Head is in the center. Right, your chin is over your right shoulder. Breathe in. We have to do yoga, यानी means बहुत आराम से करने का. Exhale. Come back to the left side. 3 times. Come to the center. Now breathe in. As you exhale, right ear to the right shoulder. As much as you can. Breathe in, come up. Exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. Right. Left. Right. Left. Come to the center. Now we are going to do complete rotation. First you look at me, okay? When you breathe in, head is straight. When you exhale, your neck comes down. And then we will start the rotation from the right side. Breathe in. Very slowly you have to do it. And half circle breathe in, half circle breathe out. Clear? Completely, complete neck rotation. All the stresses get accumulated in the neck and our shoulders. So this releases all the stresses in your neck region. As you complete, reverse the direction. बहुत धीरे करना है इसको. Very slowly, very gently. Gently relax. Now we will do with the shoulders. Shoulders, breathe in, take them up to your ears. And once again, keep a further breath in. And as we exhale, we'll do it like this. Ha! Breathe in up. Ha! 5 times. Ha! 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 And relax. Now, complete rotation of the shoulders. Breathe in, go back. See your shoulder blades from the back coming together. And up and down. Up and down. Breathe in, go back, up, down. Reverse. And relax. Bring your hands forward. Hands are 90 degrees. Up and down. Out and in. and make a fist. And reverse. And relax. Take a deep, long breath in. And exhale. One more deep, long breath in. And exhale. Hands in line with the shoulders. Your hands you can keep like this, 90 degrees, and then move like that. Keep on breathing. If you wish, you may close your eyes also. Make your fingers wide open. The fingers of the hand are wide open. And keep smiling. If you're feeling some pain, the spine should be bigger. Don't leave it, just continue and keep breathing. This is a wonderful thing, you know. Just releases all the stresses from our shoulders, from our arms, neck. And now you can rotate like this. Bye-bye to all the pain. And bigger the spine. And relax. Feeling something in the body? Now, just wherever you are sitting, your feet like this bring towards your body and away from the body. Only the feet. Keep your heels firm and bring your toes forward and backwards. And rotate your ankles clockwise, anti-clockwise. And your fingers just do like this. Toes, not hands. Do it with your fingers of your feet. Hands also you can do together. And relax, sit comfortably. Once again, bring your right hand like this with the left hand. Pull it inside and out, in, out. Keep on doing few times. Now hold it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now down. In, out. Keep on doing. Keep it straight. And with your other hand, you have to just pull it towards your body. Feel something is happening in your arm, in your wrist. 4, 5, 6. Hold it now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Now with the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Take a deep breath in. And let go. Sit easily, comfortably. You may close your eyes. Now, we will do the box breathing that we have learned. Close your eyes. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Do it on your own, a few rounds. Gently relax. Now we will do the spinal breath. Breathe in from the base of your spine to the top of your head. This is our power breath. We can take it any time during the meetings. And once in each hour, if you do, it's a wonderful de-stressing and relaxing technique. It's known as the power breath. Breathe in from the base of the spine to the top of your head. Exhale from the top of your head to the base of the spine. Take 5 such breaths. Last breath. As you release the breath, gently relax. Keep your eyes closed. Palms are open on your knees, facing the ceiling. Take a deep, long, normal breath in and let go. One more normal, deep breath in. Let go completely. Listen to all the noises that are happening in your environment. Wherever you are sitting, whatever is the noise of the fan, of the AC, any noise coming of the TV or from the other room, just accept all the sounds. Take a one deep, long breath in. Let go. Become aware of your body. अपने शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Remember the weight of your body, whatever it is. Place the entire weight of your body on the chair, on the seat, wherever you are sitting. Just relax completely. Deep, long breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your breath. Breath is moving in and out of the body. Every incoming breath is energizing our body. Each outgoing breath is relaxing our body. Just become mindful of this phenomena. Become aware of your thoughts. Let them come. Whether they are good thoughts or bad thoughts. Just observe your thoughts. Bring your attention to your feelings. Good feelings or bad feelings, whatever they are. Just accept them. Bring your attention to your emotions. जो भी हैं, just सजग हो जाएं. Become aware of your emotions. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your feelings, of your thoughts once again. Become aware of your breath. Take a long breath in. Let go completely. Become aware of your body. Take a deep, long breath in. With a smile, exhale completely. You are peace. You are joy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. मुस्कुराते हुए एक लंबी गहरी श्वास अंदर. With a smile, become aware of your body and your surroundings. And And as you feel, you may open your eyes. So, how are you all feeling? Preeti is now wanting to sleep, huh?
Refreshed.
Best. Very good. Very good. So small gentles, you don't have to lay down a mat and, sit on the yoga mat, do exercise it, just wherever you are.
No, Dr. Hema, now you can't make this a one-off thing. Okay.
So we have to do it sometimes, huh?
Yeah, I mean, so this has to be a regular affair now.
Good, good.
Yeah. So
While doing this, even I was thinking 5 minutes of this every day would be good.
Yeah. Once we start, we can do this 5 minutes. Because what happens, because whenever we come from, see, I am telling you, there are small tips, that helps us. Once you come from work, put on a good song, whatever you like, any rock music or bhajan or whatever, and just move your hands and feet. No need, if you don't know dance also, it's okay. Just move your hands, move your feet, and after that, lie down on bed or lie down on a mat or a carpet. Just lie down for 2-3 minutes. Total 7 to 10 minutes. If you do every day, I'm telling you, your whole body will change. Your mind will change. So Patanjali, who was a yogi, he said that yoga chitta vritti nirodha. So yoga is such, not only of your body, all the distortions it removes of the body and also of the mind. So it works on mind and body both. So Patanjali Yoga Sutra, has anyone read Patanjali Yoga Sutra? It's such a beautiful scripture, I would say. Beautiful. So Patanjali is the father of yoga and he has written a complete, 4 volumes. And they are all in the shloka form.
Oh.
Beautiful.
my
You
yoga
follow
teacher,
Patanjali.
my yoga teacher Saurabh Bothra, he talks about this every Sunday.
Hmm. Okay,
So
you join
I
that.
am feeling refreshed because I did my 108 Surya Namaskar yesterday.
Wow,
Thanks.
that's amazing.
I'm not sure if this is.
108 I never do. I do 2 to 3 maximum.
I'm
Two,
not sure if
two rounds. But I do a full complete. We have to do 30. At least if you do 25 to 30 minutes of yoga every day, and don't stick only on one. Or not only. Although Surya Namaskar itself has 12 asanas, but
Yeah.
do it. Your complete body. Work on the complete.
And this is my 5th year of 108 Surya Namaskar.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah, I think because of the background, it's not showing.
But
But
what is this?
I actually practice this. She is my classmate from college, and she has been
Oh,
teaching last 8 years, and
wow.
she's very good at it. So at least because somebody is there, I should practice karke I do this.
Very good, very good. At least do something, yeah. See,
Yeah.
it is said that, movement is life.
Yes.
Because when we are dead, we can't move, even if we want to. So to keep that life energy, the prana live in our body,
Yeah.
we have to, do that movements, the stretches and back and all. So once we start doing every day 2-3 minutes, then the right hand you do on the left hand. Just look back. Because this spine is a cable. It's a power cable for the body. If your spine is healthy, it is said that you will be free of all diseases. So the spine, how can we? There are 6 movements of the spine. So if we do all these 6 movements, then your spine remains healthy. No worries. Good, good, good. So anything anybody wants to share, any development, any positive thing that happened during, last few days? Neil, are you there? We want to see your face also. I think he wants us to pray to his
Siddhivinayak.
divine energy. Good, good. No worries. Okay. So, okay, anything? So let's catch up tomorrow.
Was good.
Okay.
That's nice.
So
Thank you.
tomorrow we will do what we are going to do. We'll do Zohari's window. Okay.
I remember this Joharis window.
Huh?
I remember this Joharis window you was taking last time.
Yeah. We had to do it, but we did so many other things. Kalyan's interview came up, na? So we did that hot seat and other things. Good. Anything, Geeta, you want to mention?
Nahi, we'll connect tomorrow morning for meditation. That's it.
Definitely.
Yes. Good. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night.